how's it going? So I thought I'd get out of the studio for a change because something really cool just came in the mail. Real short video for you today, but got this massive box in the mail from Amazon today. It's a real cool tool for the show, and I thought you guys would like to check it out. I think it might be making an appearance coming next week. The jury's still out. We're gonna see, but let's see what's in the box. So we got the box open. The big question is, what's in it? This might be interesting. Well, here's the handle. Now this is my kind of studio tool. It even comes with a sticker that says destroy more. Check this out. We got two faces. We got a flat face and we've got a wedge face for really beating the shit out of bad gear. I think this is gonna be awesome. It's a 10-pound sledge by Fiskars. And I gotta say, this really is gonna pack a wallop. Of course, the big question is, are we gonna see it on the show next week? Time will tell. I'm working on a review. The jury's still out, but prognosis is it's not looking too good for that particular piece of gear. Might get introduced to this and totally deserve it as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell and all that so you guys get notified for when that video comes out, because I want to save you guys a whole bunch of money.